The Maasai are one of the most well-known tribes in East Africa, found in both Kenya and Tanzania. They are semi-nomadic pastoralists renowned for their cattle, goat, and sheep herding, which is central to their tradition and economic life. The Maasai have a rich culture that includes vibrant attire of green, red, and blue clothing, adorned with intricate beadwork and ornament. They are known for their traditional way of life, which emphasizes unique customs and practices such as dance and cultural ceremonies. Their language Ma is part of the Nilo-Saharan language family. The Maasai are also famous for their warrior skills and hunting prowess, as well as their ability to live in the harsh savanna environment. In Maasai society, cattle are a symbol of wealth and respect. The community works together in daily activities such as grazing livestock and building manyatas, traditional house made of mud and chassis. Despite of impact of modernization and contemporary life, the Maasai have legal succeeded in preserving their culture. They blend modern and traditional elements in ways that allow them to maintain their unique identity.